Hey everyone, this is OP. I welcome you in the journey of self-growth and self-development. In the last video, I discussed about self-realization, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the stability. Why do we need stability in the life? This morning, I was discussing a few things with some people, and I said that there are many poor people in India. They don't have a car, they don't have a stereo, they don't have all the luxuries that you people have. So they think that maybe peace of mind is having a car. They think that maybe peace of mind is having a stereo. They think that maybe peace of mind is having a house. But when they have a car, when they have a stereo, when they have a house, they realize that this is not peace of mind. Peace of mind is something else. This is how a person evolves and moves towards saturation. So I believe in spiritual evolution, and we all have to evolve. Nowadays we talk about material evolution, and what about spiritual evolution? Can there be a river with only one bank? Can you clap with only one hand? You need two hands for clapping, and a river needs two banks. One is the material bank and the other is the spiritual bank. To cross a river, we go from one bank to another, and to cross the river of life, we go from the material bank to the spiritual bank. The whole process is called liberation. In life, we become saturated through a series of experiences. And once we reach that point of saturation, there is the point of no return, because spirituality is total inertness. Inertness is what? Stability. So the aim of human life is to be inert. Now, to be inert or to go towards liberation, you start with the physical level. When you head for the other bank of the river, you have to leave the first bank, don't you? So, when you go towards spiritual evolution, you have to leave the material bank. Now, to go into spirituality, you must have the knowledge of the Spirit. This is why Stephen John the Baptist said, I am baptizing you with water, but he who will come after me will baptize you with the Holy Spirit and with fire. The water baptism is limited to the body, and this body goes to the grave, and it is the end. But the baptism of the Spirit remains even after that. And so this knowledge of Spirit stays with you after that too. In science, you have studied about the inert gases like helium, krypton, neon, and argon. They are totally inert. They don't combine with anything. In the same way, through spiritual knowledge and through spiritual development, when we become inert, then we do not combine with these worldly things. We do not become deluded with these worldly desires. They do not pull us. So through knowledge, through the experience of divinity, one can actually achieve spiritual tranquility and have everlasting peace and happiness. Chemistry tells us that many different elements combine with each other just to be inert, to be stable. They want to satisfy themselves, so they all combine. And there are 8 different groups. The 8th group is the inert gases. The difference between inert gases and active gases is that inert gases will not combine with other elements. Then there is the formula 2n square, where n is the number of orbits. All atoms want to complete the outer orbit, don't they? So they exchange, they bargain, they give or take just to be stable. Even an atom, the smallest part of matter, seeks stability, seeks completion. And our bodies contain billions and billions of atoms. So the body also desires perfection, satisfaction, and stability. The aim of human life is to achieve perfection, to attain stability.